Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create cartoon animation video for free. You can use this on your YouTube channel or in your presentations, so follow my steps. First, you need to go to Google and write Adobe Animation YouTube free. Then click on the first link. Click on Make Animations for YouTube. In here first, you select the size of video. You can make videos for YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and for other platforms. You can choose the different type of characters. Choose them as you like what kind of video you are making. All of them are totally free. I am choosing this character. She is looking beautiful. After that, we need to choose a background. We can see that we have different type of backgrounds. Just choose one of them. You can also choose this green color and crop the video by using Video Editor and use this single character in your presentation. I like this background. After that, you can also record your voice by clicking in Record, and you can also upload your voice. I have already generated my AI voice, so I am uploading my voice. You need to wait for a few seconds. If you really enjoy it, so subscribe my channel and like the video. You can play your video for checking.
Guys, welcome to my channel.
It is perfect, so
In
then
this
click
video,
on
I am
Download button. In here, you just need to sign into Adobe Acrobat account. If you don't worry, just click on Continue with Gmail. It is so simple. The video is downloaded in
Hi guys,
just
welcome
few
to my
steps.
channel.
Thanks for
In
watching
this
my
I
video.
am going to show you how to create cartoon animation video for free. You can use this